Hello Janet. Uh, this is short video for you. If I filter like this, it will be work for you. Uh, Here is the city and state. Okay, and if I go the filter menu and the property section, the property type of uh, commercial I selected, and all type of commercial property, and after filter in commercial after filter in property section, here if I click the MLS and I select on market no, uh, it's means this property will be off market, and listing type for sale, for sale, and this property is off market, uh, and this is the owner type of information. If I select here from individual, it will be okay for you, uh, individual. And if you need more filter like that, this you can tell me which type of filter you want to use. Here is the short summary of filter. Failed listing, property type commercial, on market no, listing type for sale, and owner type individual. This type of filter, if I put this type of filter, I will find almost 350 commercial property in your area. Thanks for watch this short video. Maybe it gone long. However, I try to explain all what I will do for your project. Thanks for your time.